blood cells. They studied and photographed her blood cells under different physical and emotional states. And this is what they found. This is crazy. When she was sad, her blood cells moved quickly and they became tear-shaped.
What?
When she was sad.
What?
Blood cells were in the shape of perfect tears. When her emotions reflected great love, the shape and formation and the speed became normal. And no joke, her blood cells began to like sparkle.
What?
Like with these little glints of light that weren't present before. These little glints of light. When she was anxious, her blood cells clumped together and they started moving all quickly.
Tension.
Yes. Yeah.
Tension. Yeah.
Which was identical to when they studied her blood cells when she was sick.
Wow.
This is the last experiment that they did, which is the most mind-blowing.
It gets weirder?
Yes. They were like shook by these results already. They're like, wow, this is crazy. It's time to bring in our colleagues to look at this. They grouped her blood cells into like 4 or 5 different groups. The colleagues came in and they picked, I believe, 2 of the groups of blood cells, and the colleagues prayed over the blood cells.
Wow.
They prayed extensively for like an hour over these blood cells. Everyone there was stunned because the blood fluid that was prayed over not only shined like bright, not just the little glints of light from before, but like it was like glowing.
But hold on. But we are talking about at a level that's so far beneath the detection of the human eye, right?
Oh, 100%.
We're talking about like microscope.
It's a dark field.
Okay.
It's called a dark field microscope. It completely blacks out everything behind it so that you could see things like this light and things like that.
Mm-hmm.
This is insane. The blood cells separate from her body that were being prayed over, the light and the motion were pulsating at the same rate of her resting heart rate.
What?
Her blood cells on a plate separate from her body that have been separated for hours.
They're entangled.
They are. They're still connected.
Wow.
And the cells that were not prayed over weren't even moving. Dr. Rebecca